Hello everyone, welcome back to today's video. Today we are going to give you unbiased review on the website that is Priz.com. As people from United States are very curious to know about the legitimacy of this online portal. If you are one of them, please watch the video till the end because it will be unbiased review regarding this website. Priz is online portal that sells amazing baby products to make your and your baby's life easy. The products range varies from cute head floats to strollers covers, liners, crib sheets, designer blankets, play mats, mats covers and much more. They are selling exclusive baby bean bags, useful diaper bags and safe car seats for you. Like they have categorized their website with on the go baby blankets, diaper bags, baby bean bags, car seats. But before making any online shopping from online store nowadays, you must check out the legitimacy of the website. So we are going to share the specification of Priz.com. It is HTTPS secured website. The email address which they have mentioned is matching the domain name, which is a good sign. They have mentioned the official address, which is from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. As far as shipping time is concerned, it depends on the address of dropout. For USA they need 7 working days. For Canada it takes 15 days. You're supposed to pay shipping fee for your order. You can return and exchange within 30 days of your buying. They have not mentioned the refund policy clearly. The payment method which they are accepting are PayPal. The positive point of Priz are the store explains its return policy in detail. The products are functional as well as safe. The website explains its product in detail and the company has a valid HTTPS. The negative point of Priz are the customer has to bear the return shipping cost of the product. The store adopts a strike-through policy to sell most of its product, which is reflective of scam side. So the question is Priz legit? Because it is very important to know about the site is legit or fraudulent. So let's check out the more details. Like it was actually created on 7th May 2021. Its trust score is just 2%. As far as its trust rank is concerned, it is 48.1 out of 100. Its popularity is extremely poor. As far as website content is concerned, it is poorly designed website. No social media presence is concerned. No reviews could be found. As we all know that the customer reviews are great help, but unfortunately for us that we could not find any review for this said portal. Even though the product has an option to write a review section, but one hardly find any review. Just one product, a car seat cover, display 4 stars. Otherwise this is not a good sign, as items like baby blanket and versatile diaper bags very look attractive, but no customer review regarding the products could be found. So now we want to wrap up our discussion by concluding that Priz.com is a questionable website. So do not risk shopping here, and if you have a personal experience of shopping from Priz.com, please do write about your personal experience. We love to hear from you. Write in the comment box how was your experience with this said portal.